video. This time I'm doing app testing on an application called Accubattery. Now, the reason why I installed the Accubattery was I have an extended battery in my Note 4, and it claims it has 7,500 milliamps in this battery. So I wanted to see what the actual capacity of this battery really is. So I installed it about 3.5 weeks ago, and the results have been mixed. Now, the actual Accubattery itself application utilizes a lot of battery power itself, so it's running 24/7. It is putting a drain on the battery, so since it is running in the background, it is going to kill your battery a little bit faster. But the fact that the battery is twice the original capacity does help. Now, as you can see, it does give you a current discharge rate, your temperature, and also your current voltage on your application. It also shows you the percentage of your charge time and also the total on and off screen time. It also gives you an estimate of what your actual capacity is. Now, as you can see, the actual capacity is not the same as my estimated capacity within the health of my battery. So it gives you a battery health and capacity of your battery through each charge. Now, I did not follow the recommended where I took my battery, went to 100%, down to 1%, back up to 100%, and down to 1% multiple times, as you can see in my history. So unfortunately, that could have skewed some of my numbers, but it does let me know that I do have well above the 3,200 milliamps that came with the Note 4. At least twice that, or pretty close to twice that. Accubattery is a pretty useful application if you're first breaking in a brand new battery, but after a few weeks, you're probably going to find that you really don't need to install this application, and it doesn't really need to be running in the background. It is a battery hog, and it will kill your battery prematurely, even though if you do what I did and use an extended battery, it probably doesn't make as much of a difference. Would I buy the Pro version? Probably not. Like I said, it's a good tool, but once you're done with it, you're done with it. Anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this informational. If you did, please click like. If you really liked it, please subscribe and keep a lookout for that bell. That way it can notify you when I have my latest videos released. Thanks for watching again. I'm gonna get the tech out of here. Later.